The impact of body language is reduced on virtual presenting. So we've got to focus on things like eye contact, looking into the lens, but you can focus on your voice. And I want to give you a simple metaphor here. Most of you in the last few months have probably not flown, but I suspect 99% of you on the webinar today will have flown at some point. So when you fly, when you get into the plane, often the first person you'll hear is the captain. 90% of captains are male for some reason or another, and the captain will say something like this: "Good morning, everyone. My name is Captain Cassell. We're going to be pushing back in approximately 30 minutes. But just for the moment, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight." And at some point later on, you hear from someone from the cabin crew, and they'll say something like this: "We're going to be coming amongst you very, very shortly. If there's anything you need to, feel free to press the button, and we'll come and serve you. Have a great trip." Now, have you noticed there's any difference in the voice there? We've only got 2 minutes to go or so, but I suspect you might have noticed some differences. In summary, if you want to be the credible captain, speak slower, use pauses, be fairly monotone, and go down at the end of the sentence or phrase. If you want to be more of the cabin crew, if you want to be a connector, if you want to build rapport with people, then do the exact opposite. Much faster, lots of variety, no pauses, and up at the end of the sentence or phrase, and you'll come across as really friendly. Use the credible at the start and at the end, and use it when you're telling people specific bits of evidence. Use the connection voice pattern when you are telling stories, humor, answering questions.